If you want to change SIM pin code on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all we can open settings. Now over here in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you want to go to fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Enter your screen lock password in order to continue. And then in here we need to go to privacy, then at the bottom choose more security settings, and then here at the top we have the SIM lock section. So you want to choose the SIM for which you want to change the pin code. You need to have the SIM lock enabled to be able to change the SIM card pin code. So let's tap on the switcher to turn it on. You need to enter the current pin code to confirm that you want to turn on the SIM lock. Then we have the change SIM pin option. It should appear after that. So you can select it. Once again, enter the current pin code and press OK. Then enter the new pin code that you wish to use and press OK. And then once again enter the same new pin code that you want to set for your SIM and press OK. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.